If you want to close your Crunchyroll account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have access to your account information before you begin. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you are accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or membership section. This area will provide information about your current subscription status. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. If you have an active subscription, you will need to cancel it before closing your account. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription, ensuring that you confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 5. Delete your account. After cancelling your subscription, return to the account settings and look for the option to delete or close your account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the account deletion process. Once you have completed these steps, your Crunchyroll account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll's customer support for assistance.